name is Bobby, and my prediction is 2-1 to England. What's your name?
Luca.
What's your predictions for the England v Norway? Okay.
Mason, Bobby John Paul, England win 3-1.
I'm Alfie, I reckon 2-1 England.
Now, start it.
What now?
Let's guess.
England
You
3-1.
have to say your name.
Did I dance? Joe's his old man, isn't it?
Actually, my score prediction is 3-1 to England.
Tony, 2-1 to England.
3-1 England.
And I reckon it's 2-1 England.
My name's Angel. My name's Elle, and I think it's going to be 3-1 to England.
I'm Victoria, and I think England will win 2-1.